In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create Jumia account. So once you already download the Jumia app, the page is going to show you is just this right here, and you can see Jumia is available in Algeria, Cote d'Ivoire, Egypt, Ghana, Kenya, Maroc, Nigeria, Senegal, Tunisia, Uganda. So I don't know which country you actually coming from or you actually located. So but then the next thing you're gonna do, just select your own country. Then since I'm from Nigeria, I'm gonna select Nigeria, as you can see right here. Then the page is gonna load, so you can see it take me straight down to the inside of Jumia, where I can actually select different kind of product, which of course I actually want to buy. And of course this is just me clicking on selecting the kind of product that Jumia is gonna recommend for me. So the next thing you're gonna do is just click on account down below. So once you click on account, you can see this page right here. You can see welcome, enter your account. The next thing you're gonna do, because you don't have any account, just click on login. Then it's gonna take you to a page where you can log in. So the next thing you're gonna do is it will take you to a browser where you can start creating or registering your details. So I'm gonna click in on Chrome browser, where it takes me straight down to where I can start creating my account. So you can see this is Jumia website. So got it. Then you can see it's gonna ask for your mobile phone number. So once you enter that phone number, they're gonna send a code to that phone number to create your account. And if you don't want to use the phone number, you can also create Jumia account with your Facebook account. You can see log in with Facebook. So but then the best one is just to go ahead by using your phone number. So once you input your phone number, you're gonna click on continue. So let's say I input a phone number just like this. So let's say 08 then okay, I just want to put in a random phone number. Then you're gonna put in login. Then you're gonna send an OTP to this particular number right there. Then the next thing you're gonna do is to insert the OTP right there. Then click on verify you are a human. So then you click on send OTP. Then they're gonna send an OTP to that phone number. So once you receive an OTP on that phone number, just input the 4-digit code right here. Then click on submit. Then your Jumia account will be created successful. And of course they're gonna ask you to input the password you want to be using to log in your Jumia account. Then once you do that, it's gonna take you straight down to the Jumia app, where you can actually log in your account. You can see user cancelled flow. So that means I cancel the process of creating the account. So that is how you can actually create your own Jumia account without any issue.